Y'all ready? Chat, y'all ready to come to this New Year with me, y'all? It is about to be New Year's in 2 minutes, y'all. Are you guys ready? It is that time. Oh no, I just spilled water on my mic. I just spilled water on my PC too. Oh God. Y'all ready, chat? 1 minute. Everybody get ready. I love every single one of y'all in the stream right now. I love every single one of y'all in the chat. I love y'all boys so much, bro. I love y'all, bro. It's about to be a new year, chat. Even though, chat, you won't feel the difference, but later on, like later on in the year, you will feel the difference. You know what I'm saying? But it's about to be January 1st, you know, and y'all know, chat, my birthday's coming up, you know. So, yep, and I'm gonna have a good time on my birthday. I cannot wait for my birthday. You know, it's, 2023. You never know what's gonna happen this year, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So many things happen in 1 year, bro. So many things, bro. Trust me. So many things happen in 1 year. This is a new year, bro. Set your goals, bro. Get right. Lock in, bro. Whatever you want to do, lock in, bro. It's a new time. New time to grind, bro. New people gonna come. Old people gonna come. I wonder where I'm gonna be at this year. 2023. Well, here we go. 33, 32, 30, 29, 28, 27. Oh shoot, 24, 23. God, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday! 2021, baby! Daddy, they shooting, Daddy! Daddy, they shooting! Daddy! Oh my God! Oh my God!